My name is Rhys Neville and I'm studying the BA Design Studies course at Pembroke College. I chose the course because I originally was in Cardiff and I didn't get very good results. I wanted to move home, so I spoke to Phil over the summer and he invited me onto the course, and it turned out to be the best of both worlds, as I could study a degree at home. Mostly developing my own skills, a lot of confidence as well. I was really low on confidence after my year in Cardiff, and Phil and Julia picked me back up, and it allowed me to produce my best work that I have ever. So yeah, a lot of confidence, a lot of motivation, as well as development of my own skills. The course covered everything. In the first year I made a dress, did some textile work, graphics based stuff, through all traditional essay writing and everything. In the second year you kind of hone your skills in what field you'd like, so obviously I chose graphic design, and in the third year you put it all on display and show off what you've learned and what you've developed and what you can produce. Phil and Julia were amazing. Without them I wouldn't be the designer I am today. The motivation that they give and the insight that they give to your work is completely above par. My future plans are to just do something creative. I'd like to ideally stay in Pembrokeshire, but we'll have to see. But to get into some sort of creative field with a secure 9-to-5 job is ideal. Definitely, I think 100%. For the people that are wanting to study in a degree within a creative field but not too sure about moving away, I think it's the ideal situation. Definitely put it in your headspace like that, to take it into consideration, because it's a great course with great people running it and great facilities as well, so I definitely recommend it.